This is Jeff again. I made a deal on this thing. I don't do boats. It's probably my first, oh, it is my first and probably my last. But it's like 400 horsepower and go about 90. So I just had to kind of do it. Wiped it off a little bit. Didn't get the trailer, but hey, it's been raining for like a week. 454 has 10 hours on it. Actually less than that. Everything's brand new. It's a 69 Cheetah 16 footer. It's just awesome. Dude's coming 4 hours from Georgia to get it. He's not coming up here to kick tires. He's bringing a vehicle we're trading on. Oh well, I'll take another one in a little while. I'm gonna miss seeing it sitting here because it's doing like 90 just sitting there. Oh well, bye. Bye bye.